So,
Yeah,
hello
go for.
everyone. So, welcome to the second episode of Tips for Best from the Best. And this episode, we have a special guest that is Sai Charan from NIT Warangal, and he's also a fellow YouTuber, and he's going to hit 5K subscriber in few days. So, kindly go and help him to hit the 5K subscriber early. And he recently joined an academy platform as a mentor. So, I want a quick introduction from you side from your side. So,
Yeah. Hi, Babu. First of all, thank you for inviting me here. It's really an honor to me collabing with you. And so, to all the audience who are watching from my side, so my audience, so please do subscribe to Vaibhav's channel first. So, he's also providing a very good content to all the JE things. So, for coming to me, so I am Sai Charan from NIT Warangal. So, presently, I'm studying second year, second semester from NIT Warangal Biotechnology. So, yeah, that's all.
Okay, so my first question will be, so how and when you introduced to the term JEE Mains or JEE Advanced, and when you started your preparation, in which
Yeah,
class or
yeah.
which year?
So, what do you expect, Vaibo? Let it be interactive. So, what do you
I
expect that when I
I
started?
expected that everyone get introduced to JEE in class 10th, I think so.
So,
Class
yeah,
10th or
actually, I started my preparation class 11th. So, till 10th or in schooling, there was no coaching for me. So, I was not at all, even I don't know a single thing about NITs or IITs or triple ITs in my schooling. So, directly I introduced to JE preparation in my class 11. So, after that, I came to know that we have to attempt JE mains. If we qualify there, we have to give JE advanced. So, with that, we can get into IITs. Then, with JE mains, we can get into NITs or triple ITs. So first basics is started from itself, class 11th itself.
okay, so it could be a great inspiration for the people who are watching that who has not started his preparation, so they can start
Yeah.
from
So yeah,
now.
many people have a thing. Yes. Yeah, many people
Yes.
have a thing that they don't have coaching from class 6 or
Yeah.
class 7. So
Yeah.
no issues with that. You can even start in class 11th also.
Okay. Okay. So you are a dropper, right? You dropped
Yeah.
the 12th year. Okay. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is the tip that you want to give to the audience that is watching, that is going to give the drop or is in planning for future? Okay. So what is the
Yeah.
tip that help you to get into an IT Varangal basically?
So one thing is like so after my plus one and plus two, I was just qualified with 2 marks in JE mains. So ours is the last offline paper in 2018. So that is the last offline paper of JEE Mains for 360 marks. So I got somewhere around 75 out of 360, where the cutoff is 73. So I just qualified with 2 marks and I gave advance. So I was not that great in physics. I didn't qualify in physics. I got a very good marks in chemistry and maths, even though I got good marks there. So I was not able to qualify physics in advanced. So due to that, I was not able to get an IIT or like that. So then I decided to I got very good rank, so which I don't want to reveal in my state MSET rank. So I got a very good college also, but in very good branch. But I wanted to study in a college where I will get a more free time to explore myself and explore first of all, I should know what I am, so I should know what I can do. So that college, so this environment can be given only by NITs and IITs. So this thing I came to know from my faculty. So that is the reason I blindly fixed that I should get into NITs or IITs. That's it. So I took the drop year. So the most mainly sorry, mainly the most thing in drop year. So you will be having a lot of freedom. So you should not misuse it. At first thing, you should not misuse it. So just believe on yourself and you should be cool and be confident about you. So first you need to be confident of yourself rather than others. So others come. So don't wait for others to come and motivate you. So always do motivate yourself. That will really help you out. And stick to the plan of action which you wanted to follow. That's it. So don't what we can say, don't take diversions from your plan of action. So you have to decide a plan of action, stick to that, and be focused with your basics. So that is enough, more than enough for those who are taking the drop years. So only one thing is, don't waste time. So you will have much freedom. So use it properly. That's it. That 1 year will really cost you and will become a game changer for your rest of your life. So that's it.
Okay, so this would be a great information for the people who has not scored enough in this JEE mains or in previous. So after failure, we have to always bounce back with our success. That's the key point we have to take, and should not afraid of failures. Okay, so my next question will be: you are pursuing biotechnology engineering from one of the top NITs.
Yes.
But so, according to you, what are the pro and the cons of this branch, particular this branch? Because it is some branch that people are afraid to take in India,
Yeah.
especially.
Yeah. So our society is like that, where everyone says that biotechnology doesn't have a scope. So one of the best thing which I liked about my branch is this is the branch which is directly related to life. So only engineering branch which is directly related to life is biotechnology. And if you know, during this COVID, so we biotechnology engineers have worked continuously. So in the preparation of vaccine and all. So this one good thing about COVID is like due to COVID, many of the people came to know that there is a branch called biotechnology, and there are engineers called biotechnology engineers, so who can save us from this deadly viruses. So that is one of the pro, and in future this biotechnology gonna boom soon. So no issues. Let it be 10 years or 6 years, but soon biotechnology going to rock, and biotechnology going to lead everyone, because without life, no need of science and all. So first important thing is life. So even if we find any new inventions, so a man should survive to utilize that invention, right? So let it be like, so bio related innovations are also like increasing rapidly day by day, and soon biotechnology gonna boom. So no issues with branch, and the society will always keep on say and keep on drag you down that don't join that branch. There is no scope in it. But soon you are going to, so there will be a lot of opportunities in biotechnology also. So I am like I believe that. And cons about, so cons is nothing but like, so that is the thing. At present, I'm openly saying, at present in India there is no much scope. There is a scope, but a little bit scope is there. In future we are going to get good opportunities in biotechnology. So hope I have answered your questions.
Yeah, you surely answered that question, and it is answered in very pleasant way. Because biotechnology is a branch that people are afraid to choose, but it not should
Yes.
happen because outside India there is a lot of scope. And same
Yeah.
with us, I also choose chemical engineering, and people say why you choose that? Is there no scope? But people do not think
Yeah,
that
even I
outside,
want, like, yeah,
yeah,
even
outside
I
India,
wanted to add one more point is like,
yeah.
if you are ready with doing higher studies, so biotechnology gonna offer even more good opportunities than a software engineer. So you can
Yeah.
get very good placement than a software engineer if you if you choose for higher studies, like in out of country, because in foreign there is a very good scope for biotechnology at present. So soon that will also come to India. So let's see what gonna happen.
Yeah. Okay. So you are in top NIT, that is NIT Warangal. So how was your
Yeah.
overall experience in this 2 years? Okay, 1 year is online and 1 year is offline. So you have both the
So
experience with you.
coming to my experience in NIT Warangal, so first of all, I, till now I have talked about positiveness created by COVID for our branch. So now the negative points which COVID has done to us. Thing is, I am really missing my campus life. So the one best thing about any NIT, not only in NIT Warangal or any IIT or any NIT, so you will get very good campus life where which you can't get anywhere. So you should not miss. So my faculty usually says, what this is till 10th you need to study in government college, like you need to crack some Navodaya or something or the other, and you have to study in government. 11th and 12th you should study in a private college, good coaching, and from engineering onwards again you should join the government institute. So this is that is really a good thing actually. So till 10th it is already it's a past. So in 11th I listened to that word and I fixed I should join NIT or IIT. So I'm really happy now. So that's the reason I took the drop here. So one more thing, like we have stayed in the campus for at most I think 8 months, not more than that also. So in that 8 months, it's full of emotions. So happy, sad, so love, affection, everything was equally balanced. So friends across this country, different countries, so across country, and also friends from different countries like Saudi Arabia and Bangladesh, Nepal. So all these people were there. So even now I have a very good contacts among many of my mates. Okay, and you will get a very good peer-to-peer interactions, like senior junior interaction will be very good in NIT Warangal. So all these things was really a very good of experience and lifetime memories for me. So down the line, so now I hope this COVID completes soon, and we'll get back to our campus. So I'm pretty sure that down the line, after 15 to 20 years, so when I come to home after completing my office work, and sit back and have a cup of coffee in my hand, so if I remember about my past, so all these things which I spent in NIT Warangal will be really come ahead of all those things which I did earlier. So I'm sure that not only NIT Warangal, so each and every NIT, each and every IIT will offer you a very best campus life and very best engineering life for you. So you people who are watching, so don't miss that chance.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it will be a great motivation for the people who are watching that if you want to enjoy this college life, you should study hard up until 12th or up to JEE Advanced or JEE Mains. Then your college life would be a memorial part of your life. Okay, so
Yes.
recently mains was postponed, and according to me, competition will be high in next attempts because the student will get a chance to prepare. So, what is your call on this? So, what the tip
Yeah.
or call that
So
you should
yeah.
take?
So even many of my subscribers do ask me this question, whether competition increases or not. Yeah, of course, competition increases. That we have seen in earlier, what we can say, last year JEE Mains attempt. So it should be in April, and it has been postponed to September. So what exactly you had to do is like, so so why competition increases? So can I ask? So if I ask you this question, so you'll say time has increased.
Yeah.
So the same time they are getting, you are also getting the same time. So why you are thinking of increasing competition? So I want to ask this question to you. So you should also, so they are also getting the same time. So they are also having 24 hours in their watch, and we are also having 24 hours in our watch. So why won't you think take it in a positive way? So you're also getting a very good time to revise once or twice. So keep all these things, competition, time, all these things aside. Just be focused on you. Every time, don't compare with others. So if you start comparing with others, and others preparation, others marks, so you will demotivate yourself. So that is the case, that is the instant where you will lose time, and you will feel that competition is increasing a lot. So I hope I have answered
Yeah.
it in a
Yeah, yeah,
nice way.
yeah. Because we do not want to see the competition. We only have to see our studies. We should only
Yes.
focus on our studies
If
regardless
you
of the
focus on
competition.
competition, of course, competition increases because you are wasting the time
Yeah,
focusing on that.
yeah. Both the student are getting the time, but the main thing is that the
So those who
who
utilize
studies more,
properly, yeah,
yeah, yeah, will go ahead.
will come out.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay,
that's
so my last question will be to you is that most of my audience is basically targeting a college of his dream college, basically that is NIT or triple IT,
yeah.
and
NIT.
you are in
So
second
dream
year.
college is nothing but like NITs or IITs and any other
Yeah,
private institutes. Even private deemed universities also offer a very good
yeah,
campus life.
yeah. We
Yes,
can
no issues
say
with
that
that.
they are targeting their dream college. Okay,
Okay.
so you are in second year. Okay, so you are our senior. So what is the tip that you want to give to them, those who are coming to college this year, because there's Corona and they could not see the college campus and they could not interact with their seniors. So what is the tip that you want to give?
So okay, so we all should accept what COVID has made changes into our life. So there won't be any like any alternatives at present. So we are at our homes and preparing online, studying online, writing exams online. Everything is online, 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 and even interaction with seniors is also in online. So no issues. Soon we'll be get back to you. Hope so. as I said earlier, hope COVID should end as soon as possible and we will get back to the campus. So one thing, those who are joining to the dream colleges, so for engineering, or let it be engineering rather than anything like MBBS or anything, so for graduation, first important thing is, so engineering or any graduation is not just getting placement or not just doing internship or not just getting marks, scoring marks or this. So first of all, you should explore yourself. That is the most important thing. So this is the time where you need to uh, come out of, like, think out of the box, we'll say, right? So you should think out of the box, and you should try to explore yourself, and what are the hidden talents in you, you should take them out, and so you should what we can say, you can improve those things. Like for example, uh, so there is one of my friend, Sushant. So soon I will be having a discussion with him, and I will post a video on my channel. So you can check out that. So he, during my first year, so I and my friends were used to, a lot of time we used to chill out and we used to go out movies, restaurants, vagera, vagera, vagera. Okay, so we used to enjoy a lot. So what he did is, he enjoyed with his friends. Along with that, so he found that he's good at writing, so he's good at creating things. So he started writing a book, and he published that book, called John Oliver, so which is very doing very good in the market. So that is the thing. So if you are good at something, try to explore that and try to improve that. So engineering is not just about getting placement, very good placement, or getting very good package. So try to improve your skills, so that will be really helpful for you in future. So that is what I wanted to suggest to all the people who are joining for graduation. So yeah.
Yeah, so that is very good because we college is all about exploring our inner side, and
Yeah.
as you said, that out of the box ideas should be come from your side.
Yes.
So okay, so thank you for coming on my channel. So it was a pleasant interview with you, and thank you for giving your time. And those who are watching, I want to say that subscribe his channel, and he's also doing free classes on an academy platform. So you can enroll the classes by subscribing his channel. He will be updating on his channel. Okay, so
Yeah.
subscribe it. Okay.
Yeah, thanks, Vaibhav. It's a really great opportunity for me to coming here and interacting with you. And it was a really cool session actually. And hope all the people who are watching got something out of this session. So yeah, all the best.
Okay. So thank you.
Yeah.